So how do we determine the strength of a crypto system? And remember I said a crypto system is not just the algorithm, although the algorithm plays a big key in encryption, but it has to be a strong algorithm. It has to be the right algorithm, because we've had instances where products and protocols have used the wrong algorithm, and we're going to talk about the different types. You have to have a strong and correct algorithm. You need to have a key of the right size. That key needs to be protected, and you'll be using initialization vectors, which I'm going to talk to. Those need to be random, and all of these pieces and parts have to work together properly. And a lot of times when developers are putting things together, building something and they don't understand cryptography, they don't put everything together properly, which allows for attacks to be successful. So it's a lot more complicated than just saying we're using AES or we're using RSA. When developers are actually using those algorithms, they should have somebody who understands cryptography to either help them develop it or review what they've done. Because as a consultant, I've seen a lot of mess with a lot of companies write their own proprietary software and will use encryption, but because they don't understand cryptography to a certain degree, they don't do it correctly, which allows for somebody to easily break their encryption. So it's not only important as a developer to understand how cryptography works. When you're doing configuration, like on a VPN or any type of product that allows you to choose what algorithm to use and what key size, it's better if you really understand what you're selecting. But developing internal algorithms causes a lot of issues, and that's something that unless they're cryptographers, they shouldn't be doing.